Okay, in this section, I would like to show you how to edit your video through CapCut application. So, just like usual, tap the new project, choose which video you want to edit. So, I will choose this. Okay, in this video, there is has 10 seconds long. I would like to make it short. So, just simple things. I just need to drag it into the shorter as I want, like a second, and then I would like to add more videos. So I will add another videos, add button, and then just the same. I would like to make it shorter, so the video could be have high motions. Just 1 second enough. And then I also want to add more and more video. I would like to just do the same, add another video, add, and adjusting the length. I want to make it just like seconds long. Okay, nice. And then I will do a lot of repetition until I get what I really want to have in this video. Okay, adjusting the length. And then I would like to have a test. Click this and let's have a test of the video. Okay, so still there's still watermark. I would like to make the watermark off from this video by click the delete button. And this also have a lot of voice. I don't want it, so I will click the mute button to make all of the voice in this video being muted. And then I would like to add the sounds from the CapCut. Choose any songs, then click plus button, and then I would like to adjusting the length of the music according to the length of the video, and done. Let's have a test. And this